How do you store your cars? What about your detailing products? Well, come with me for a behind the scenes look at how I store my VW Golfs and all my detailing products right here, right now on the Golf Diaries. So you like cars, you like detailing. Why else would you have clicked on this thumbnail? So I thought I'd take you for a little behind the scenes tour of my detailing store and also how I keep the two Golfs in the garage. It's been a while, I've promised it for a little while, so I thought now's as good a time as any as we're back on the channel. So we'll kick things off with showing you around the detailing cupboard. This is it, we're stood in it. So in a couple of seconds time, I will take you around and show you how I've set it up. But regulars to the channel will know, if they're perhaps a little bit too polite to point out to me, that usually I'm filming these videos outside in the tin shed, which this is built in. And so in the winter, I would be absolutely freezing, hoodie, beanie, you'd see my breath. In the summer, I'd be bright red, sweat pouring off my face. And if nothing else, there was lots of crow noises and tractors going by. It's all very distracting. So I thought, actually, we've got this cupboard here. It used to be my office many years ago. It's just been a general store cupboard for the last few years. We'll turn this into a detailing cupboard and also somewhere I can come where it's sound insulated, I can regulate the temperature, and I haven't got to look like a sweating, gibbering idiot when I'm talking to you. Although I probably will still look like a sweaty, gibbering idiot. That's just me. So let's start off with the benches. I got these benches off the internet. I can't actually remember where I got them from, but they were something like £50 for the two benches. So that's sturdy enough for what I want to use them for. So obviously you can see there that I've got a few products that I use on a regular basis, got ready at hand just next to the door. And then across here, the wheel detailing stand, because again this is all ideal for during the winter. I can just come in here in the evenings and tinker away and stay out the wife's way. She'll be happy to get me out here, I guess. And then down here we've got the Autoglanz collection. It's a brand that I'm using more and more of, I've got to be honest. Really good value products, and yeah, I mean, there's just something for every single job. And they're a Welsh company as well, local to me, so I always like to support local businesses whenever I can. And then down here, we've got Geist, which a review that over there will be coming very, very shortly. That's a leather cleaner and protectant. Quite impressed in early testing, so don't want to give away the ending of the video. Little caddy there just to take stuff out when I'm taking stuff out to the cars, and then just a general couple of junk boxes down there with bits and bobs. We all need one of those. And then over here, lots of rubber gloves up there. That's my wax box, so I will quickly show you the wax box actually. The wax box. I have a bit of a wax problem. It's a lot better than it used to be, I hasten to add. I used to have probably about 4 boxes. But yeah, there's some real old ones. I mean, this is the original Dodo Juice Supernatural. It's actually version 2, but what I mean by original, it's when it first came out with the wooden box, wooden container. That's really cool, just a nice little container there. But then in here, lots of other kind of, obviously the Bilt Hambers. As you know, I'm a big Bilt Hamber fan. There's some soft 99s in there. Likewise, we've got another one back here. I just haven't got room for it in my box. I'm going to be doing a review of that very shortly. Various Angel waxes, Britemax. I'm gutted that Britemax are no longer with us. Such a good brand, and that is a really, really nice wax. Not the most durable, but really nice to use. Smells lovely. And it definitely added something to the car. A few other kind of Dodo juices in there, some more Angel waxes. So yeah, there's a fair old collection in there. And at some stage, I probably will do a video just on the waxes. You know, even in kind of old school Colonite, still got a place. And the thing is with waxes, of course, if you store them properly, they'll last a really long time. So moving on from the wax box, again, caddy there with all my polishing stuff in, and then you can never have too many caddies just to take bottles out when you're working on the cars. So they are the benches. Oh, up there also got a whiteboard because, well, it makes me look very studious, and I'm not, trust me. And then that just because, hey, I love my V-dubs. Why not, eh? Then over here, It needs a little bit of sorting out. It's a little bit messy at the minute, to be honest, but as you can see, all the Garage Therapy and Gyeon products up there. And then as we go down, just a general collection of products. Some of these are under review at the moment, so videos will be coming to the channel very shortly. And then down there you can see all the bulk products. So yeah, that's kind of it. Didn't take long, did it? And let's not forget, every man cave needs a TV. So yeah, I brought the TV out here. So that is the detailing cupboard. Any ideas you have how I can improve any of this, please do let me know. Still need a little bit of tidying up, I must admit, but yeah, so far so good. So now, with no further ado, the bit you've been waiting for, the cars, they're out there. So yeah, join me out in the garage. Out into the garage we go. Obviously I'm walking with you right now, so apologies if I'm a little bit shaky. I'll try not to be. So over here, just before we get to the cars, yeah, it's a home gym because I'm a bit mad like that, really. Very much into my my gym stuff, mainly because I do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. But that's very much for my other channel, which there is a link in the description down below if you're so inclined. But if not, I will not be offended. Don't worry, we're here for those. So as you can see, that is a, oops, crikey, don't want to be seeing that, do you? Every gym needs a mirror, even if it does mean I'm in the mirror. So you can see we've just come out of the detailing cupboard there, straight into the garage. So this is the bit that regulars to the channel will recognise. That's normally where I'm stood when conditions allow. At the minute, it's all a bit of a mess out here because, yeah, this little thing. She's a work in progress. I'll put a link to the video where I kind of gave an overview of what we need to do to the Rivage. Yeah, there's still work to be done. Just need to do some work to the brakes now, and then hopefully she'll be good to go. So at that point, what I'll be doing is giving it a complete detail, a little bit of a machine correction, and putting some new tyres on it, getting it MOT'd, ready for the spring, get her out there, get her to some shows, have a bit of fun. So yeah, that's that. And then of course, my pride and joy, Annie. That's my girl. Had her from new. Regulars to the channel will know this. So had her since 2002. Back in the early days of owning her, we got quite a few concourse competition wins and things like that, and I'm really keen to get her back out to the shows. Life has been hectic with all the racing and all that kind of stuff, so yeah, it's kind of been a little bit taken a bit longer to get it back out than I'd ideally wanted. Now this down here, this is one of my favourite toys, I must admit, the big boy blower. Definitely I'll be doing a review on that at some stage soon. Detailing trolley there, again there's a video on the channel if you're interested in that. And then really the next big job out here is to basically insulate these walls, something I've been talking about for absolutely ages, and that ceiling, just so there's a little less condensation in here for these two old ladies sat in here. So that is my garage, and I do apologise, that was a very shaky movement of the camera there, but I'm getting old, let me off. So hopefully you found that interesting. Very, very quick video. If it's given you any ideas for your workspace and garage, then fantastic. If there's anything you think I could do here that would just kind of level it up a little bit, please let me know in the comments down below. Really welcome your feedback and your thoughts. So stay tuned because there is a lot of really cool content coming. I've got a fantastic Sonax review coming in very shortly, a very interesting product. It's not, yeah, I won't give anything away, but it's a very interesting product, so I think you'll like that. My next video will be a review of Geist, the leather protectant and cleaner. I'll be doing the Rivage interior, the cream leather interior, so hopefully again that'll be of interest to you. So yeah, lots of stuff coming up. Busy winter ahead for the Golf Diaries, so please come along if you like. If you like the sound of that, please like, subscribe and join in the fun. Until next time, stay safe, bye for now.